I just want to ask you about activism in general. It just feels as though the last 6 to 12 months, there has been a pickup in activist activity. And it's not just from your usual set of activist investors like hedge funds and private equity firms, but more institutional clients are getting involved as well.
Yeah, I think you're seeing a continued increase in the rise of activism. I think if you go to the Exxon situation, I mean, engine number one, interesting, small activists pushing on climate, but it's not just the activists, it's the activists combining with the forces of some of the large passive investors, as you mentioned, the State Street, the Vanguards, and the BlackRock, kind of combining and teaming up for voting power to actually push for real change within clients.
And the interesting about it is traditionally the domain of activism was to change corporate governance and maybe to put a focus on extra cost cuts, etc. Nowadays, these activists are coming in and are having a real say on the trajectory of the company, the actual business purpose of the company they're getting involved in. It seems to be a new type of activism entirely, a lot more forceful.
Well, look, if you think about activism in general, the main push for activists is actually changing the board and adding a few incremental directors to the board who can actually then, to your point, help to shape strategy direction of the company. And you're seeing activists really speaking up more loudly on issues such as ESG that does have the impact or does have the potential to impact kind of the strategy of companies going forward.